In today's class, I will demonstrate on animations in CSS, which means that how do we make animations using the CSS? You know that CSS is very important to designing the any type of web page. But here, how do we make animations in CSS? Let us start. Then what is the content? What are the element do you want within the body tag? Then nothing will be there. I want to use the division tag. Division tag will be close, open. Then division tag will be close. Here, then I want to add the CSS code to the division tag. Then I want to use the element selector. What is the element name is over here? Then division tag is the element name. Then div. Then I want some animations to the division tag. Then height. What is the height of the division tag is 200 pixel. Then we go for width. Width is 200 pixel. Then I want to use the background color of background color is whatever the color do you want, you can use it. I want to use the green or else a green yellow. Then just I want to compile, save it, and I want to see the output. I did not add any animations over here, but what is the height and width of the division tag, and also I added some background color of the division. Then I want to see here what is the output of it. Then refresh the page. Yeah. Then what is the height and width? Just if you want to go for what is the height, I want to maximize the screen. Yeah. Then see over here, just I zoom out the page. Then height is given as 100, the width is given as 100. Then what is the background color as given over here? Then green yellow. Okay. Then I make an animate of this square. Then how it is possible with help of the animations? Then how we can add the animations? Then I move on to the A, then CSS code, then animation name. What is do you want? Example, for example, animation name is given as example. Then animation duration, how long you continue the animations. Okay, either 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Suppose I want to use animation duration is suppose 4 seconds. And then I want to go for animation, what is called direction is called as the forward or backward. That is called as, I don't want to use it. I will use later about it. Animation delay. Then animation delay means the animation is going to start after how many seconds. Suppose I want to use the 2 seconds. Okay, I don't want to use it here. Later I want to use the animation delay function. Then I want to go for the animation. So the animation name is example. Animation duration is 4 seconds. Then I want to add some kind of animations. Then how do you add the animation to anything, any kind of object? Then we could be able to use the keyframes. Then keyframes. Then what is the animation name you are used over here? The animation name is example. Then here also you could able to use the animation name. Then two, what is the background color? The background color should be a red. Then from the background color should be pink. Here, you see here, the animation name should be a example. Then animation duration is the 4 seconds. And then when you come to the here, keyframes which are used to make an animate of any object. Then what is the here? Then division. Then background color 2, it will be start from red to the end with or pink color. Then we go for then I went to some refresh it, because once the time duration has been completed, which come back to the original color. What is the original color is given? Original color is given as green yellow. Then the animation will start with background color. Then if you want to use animation delay over here, then animation delay, then the animation will be start from after 2 seconds. Animation duration how much? 4 seconds only. Okay. Then I save it. Then refresh this page, because yeah, animation did not start, which has started after 2 seconds, which has start with the red color and end with the what? Pink. Again I refresh it. Red and pink, both colors as displayed over here. Okay. Then after that, this is the one another thing. This is the one of the. Then if you want to continue, then if you want animation duration should be infinite, what you have to do is the animation duration, animation iteration, animation what is called, where is iteration is there, the animation iteration count, for example, three times or 4 times, then we can save it, then compare. The same thing to be continued 3 times. The same thing, the same animation will be continued 3 times. After that, the animation will finish or completes. The 3 times has completed, then which came back to the original color green yellow. Then when you come to here, please observe it carefully. For example, infinite. Then please check it once how it is possible. Then animation will be continue. It should be infinity. Did you observing? It is continued. It does not come to the original color. What is the original color? We gave it as at the green yellow. It does not come to the green yellow. Once the animation should be completed, then only which comes to the original color. Please observe it very carefully. Then I'll move back to the code. Okay, this is the one thing. Then I want to add percentage to from. Okay, then to for example 0% will be start from here. For example, then same thing I would like to use 25% because 0 to 100 previously. Then I would like to add copied it because it is 50%. Then I will copy it. Then it will make it as 75%. Then I will make it as 100%. Then here 0 to 25%, which will come to the red color. Then after 20, once it comes to the 25%, it will add pink. Then I will go for the blue. I will go for what is called maroon, medium purple. Then I will go for it green, yellow, some for example green. Here, once animation has to be started, then it will be start with the red color. Then after 25%, it will go change it to the art pink. Then once it go to the 50%, the color has changed to blue. Then once it is go to 75%, which is medium purple. Then when it comes to the 100%, the background color should be gray. Then once I save it, then just refresh the page. Please check it once. Every time the colors has to be changed. Did you observing or not? Then something I want to do here. Yeah. Then 0% which will depth, then which will come to the here left. For example, 200 pixel, which then image the object will move to the 200 pixel towards to the right from the left. Then after that, which will come to what is called left 200 pixels. Then I would like to top 200. And then I want to then when you come to the 75 percentage, then what you have to do is then left 200 because left 200, yeah, it is good. Then top at the same time it will come to the 200 top of that current position 25 pixel. Then I will show you with an example. Please don't confuse. Then after that left 0 pixel. Then top, what is called top 200 pixel. Then when we come to here, left 0 pix, then top 0 pix. Please understand very carefully. Then how to be changed? First, it is also left 0 fix 0 pixel. Then top is also called as 0 pix. Yeah. Instead of 0, I use it as O. Okay. Then I would like to change some piece of code over here in animation mode. Then as per your application, you could able to change as your requirement. Then here, then I saved it. Then I move on to it. Something which would be wrong because animation background color should be red, left should be start, okay, top 0 pixel, good, left, okay, then top, yeah, good, what is called 0 pix, yeah. Here I would like to position, because position should be relative, then only it will be moved. Otherwise, it will be fixed. The object can't be moved one place to the another place. Okay, if you want to move the object from one style to the another style, then which go for the position. Then what is the use of the keyframe? The keyframe which will be used to change the styles from one style to the another style at certain period or else at certain time. Okay, that is what time we given over here. Then save it. I think position is relative. I did not change it. Yeah, it will be stand left top. Then from this one, which will move to the left 200 pixel. Then something. Yeah, top 0 pixel. Yes, exactly correct. Then from which, then from that place, left 200, yes, good. Top 200 pixel, then which will come to the top 200 pixel. From that, the left 0, then top. Yeah. And then what is happened? Something where we, yeah, it changed, yes. Because the animation will be start from after 2 seconds. Did you observing? This is an for whatever if you want to change it to somewhere, then it is possible. Then whatever you can move on to somewhere place. Then suppose for example here, then I would like to use the 300. Then please check it once how it would be changed. Yeah, because it will be different. It will come to a 300 bottom, and then something has to be different. Then here also, I make it change left is 300. For example, top 100, top 200, or 200 or 100, whatever it is. Then whatever else, then yeah, we check it once. Now that I changed the animation. For example, here when you come to the 0 to 50, 200 left bottom, then top here, for example, I would like to use the 400 pixel over here. Then it is 300. Please check it once. Because left, if you increase, then 500 pixel. Suppose it is comes to the 100. Then when you change this one, automatically which will be changed. Did you observe that? This is a way how to make a animation using the animation properties. Here, keyframes which are used to frequently, which will change the styles from one style to the another style. Okay, based on your requirement, you could able to animate any kind of object. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this example, please ask at any time. Okay, I will explain you briefly about the animation concept in CSS. Thank you one and all for watching my videos. Thank you.